Hi friends, welcome back to Guide for All. In this session, we are going to discuss about important revolutions in India. Begin with the first question. Who is considered as the father of Blue Revolution in India? Correct answer is Hirlal Chaudhary. Blue Revolution is related to production of fish and marine products. It was launched in India during the 7th five-year plan under the sponsorship of Fish Farmers Development Agency. Every year on 10 July we observe National Fish Farmers Day. Currently India is the second largest fish producing country in the world after China. In India, Andhra Pradesh tops in fish producing. Move to next question. The White Revolution is related to which field? Correct answer is milk production. White Revolution is also known as Operation Flood. White Revolution is launched to boost the production of milk and dairy products in India. Verghese Kurian is considered as the father of White Revolution in India. It was occurred during 1970s. Currently, India is the world's largest milk producer. Move to next question. Who is considered as the father of Yellow Revolution in India? Correct answer is Sam Pitroda. Yellow Revolution. It is related to oil seed. This revolution launched in 1986 and 87 to increase the production of edible oil, especially mustard and sesame seed. This is to achieve self-reliance in oil seeds. And one more point. In the soybean production, Madhya Pradesh is the leading state in India. It is followed by Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Move to next question. The Green Revolution is associated with which field? Correct answer is food grain production. The Green Revolution in India was introduction of high yielding varieties of seeds of wheat and rice. From 1966 to 1969 period is known as the first Green Revolution period in India. Under this Green Revolution, Punjab was chosen as an initiation site in India, and M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution in India, while Dr. Norman Borlaug is known as the father of Green Revolution in the world. Move to next question. The Golden Revolution is related to which field? Correct answer is horticulture production. The period between 1991 to 2000 is known as period of Golden Revolution in India. Nirpak Tuteja is known as the father of Golden Revolution in India. Golden Revolution is related to the production of honey and horticulture. India is the first position in the production of banana, papaya and mangoes. Move to next question. The Silver Revolution is related to which field? Correct answer is egg production. Silver Revolution is the process of spectacular increase in the production of eggs as well as the poultry production. Indira Gandhi was the leading issue for this revolution. So that's why Indira Gandhi is known as the mother of Silver Revolution in India. While Silver Fiber Revolution is related to cotton production. Move to next question. The Round Revolution is related to which field? Correct answer is potato production. The Round Revolution is adopted by Government of India to increase the production of potato. Currently, China is the world's largest producer of potato. In India, Uttar Pradesh tops in the production of potato. Move to next question. Who is known as the father of Pink Revolution in India? Correct answer is Durgesh Patel. Pink Revolution, it is focused on poultry, meat processing, onion production and pharmaceuticals. Currently, China is the world's largest meat producer, consumer and as well as importer. And India is the second largest onion growing country in the world. And in India, Maharashtra tops in the onion production. Move to next question. The Grey Revolution is related to which field? Correct answer is fertilizer production. Fertilizers are used by farmers for the better crop growth. Currently, India is the second largest consumer of urea fertilizers after China. India ranks second in the production of nitrogenous fertilizers. Apart from this, Rainbow Revolution. The Rainbow Revolution is an integral development program of agriculture, horticulture, forestry, sugarcane, fishery, poultry, and animal husbandry. Now, let's talk about some other revolutions. First one is Protein Revolution. It leads to the sustainable growth of 4% in the field of farming sector and higher productivity through technology. It is known as technology driven second green revolution. The term is coined by Mr. Narendra Modi from 2014 to 2020. Apart from the golden fiber revolution, it is related to jute production. And then brown revolution, it is related to leather and cocoa production. And then grey revolution, it is related to production, fertilizer production. And finally black revolution, it's related to petroleum production. That's it. PDF of the lecture can be downloaded from our Telegram channel. The link has been given in the description box. Please check it. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel.